Welcome back to Nurse Mark. If I can do it, you can do it. I just got done changing out my headlights, had to take off the bumper. Now I'm going to show you how to do a turn signal switch that's not working properly. Let me show you what's happening here. I'm turning on my blinker. Sometimes it stays, sometimes it doesn't. It'll just fall back down. But you can see the blinkers on. And when I turn it, you hear it click. And heard it click again. The blinker's not going off. See there? It won't stay down. Sometimes the right won't stay up either. But even when you turn it, it doesn't click. So I'm going to show you how to change out this turn signal. Okay, first thing you want to do is get underneath the steering wheel. There's 3 screws you have to get out. There's 1, 2, and 3 right there. Those are 7mm screws, so you just get a 7mm socket here and take them off. Okay, I just took these 3 screws out. It took me less than a minute. I'll show you the next step. Okay, so I just popped that off. You just lift it off like that. Take it out. I'll just leave that there. Now, next thing you want to do is you want to pop these clips off here, right here, and down here, and then just pull this thing out. What you want to do to take this out, you want to pop these clips off right here. I can't see, the sun's in my eyes. Okay. Clip down here, then pull it out. Alright. Once you pull it out, you got the same thing here. Can you get it around? There we go. You got these 2 things you got to pull off. And, oh, there it is. See these clips here? You just got to get that clip up and pull. That's one of them. And the other one, let me just see where it is. Maybe this one you just pull. Let's see. No, there's a clip somewhere. Oh, there it is. Okay, it's just right here. Pull those together. See? It was right there. You just push this down like that and then pull it out. And here's the piece right here. And I ordered this piece from Rock Auto. I don't get paid by any of these people, but same piece. Okay, and I'm just going to install it the reverse way. Alright, so we're just going to install this one. I'm going to push that in. Like that. You push that in like that. That's it. Then you just push that in like that. Now let's see if the blinker works. It should catch now. All right, it's holding. Hear it click. and it caught. Now it's off. Let's do left. It clicked, and it's off. It's working, so we'll just finish assembling this piece here. That's it. Now all we got to do is put this thing back together. Put this together and this together. And I'll show you how to do that here. And it's just clamping it together back to where it was. This is the hardest part. So I'll get a video of that for you. Alright you guys, at this point clamping it back together is not as easy as it sounds. It's the hardest part to do on this whole project. So I was going to edit it, but I'm going to just give you the whole video of me putting it together and to show you how long it actually took me to do this, because this is the most frustrating part. And it took me over an hour just to get these two pieces together. So it's not as simple as just clamping it together. Hopefully, I'm just trying to make it real so you know what you're getting yourself into. Okay, now to get this back, we just put this piece back together. Try to snap it back. I think this is the hardest part. Right here is just getting this on. Feels like we're close. There, that one went in. Okay, I'm going to show you how to get this on. This is the hardest part, is getting it back together. See these clips right here? This one here, here. What this does is you got these little knobs here, like this, that has to slide into it. So when you put it on, that has to slide in like that, and then it just clamps down, like that. And that's what I'm trying to get to happen, but it's hard. So I'm going to take it back apart. Let's try it again. Alright, so I got the bottom piece on. It just snapped in. And I aligned it with the holes underneath here. Now we're going to do the top piece. Like I said, it just, remember, it slides in. I'm trying to see it slide in. Well, this is a lot of fun. Okay, no kidding, it was the hardest part. I just spent about an hour trying to get this piece on. And so what I did was I got the bottom piece on first, and I got the three screws in, and I'm going to do the top piece now, because what I was trying to do was I was trying to get this on the inside, but it goes on the outside. That's where I was messing up. And then this goes on the outside over here. See, like that? You can kind of see it goes on the outside of the ring. And I was trying to put it on the inside, and this thing kept popping off. This is the hardest part, so now I just got to do the top part, and then I'm done. Boy, I wish I had a video of me putting the top piece on. I just literally put it on, it snapped on, no big deal. I kind of ruined it with the scissors right there. But, what are you going to do when you're trying to save money doing it yourself? I don't have $125 an hour to pay somebody. So, anyhow, there's the project. That's how you replace this blinker. Alright? Again, this is Nurse Mark. If I can do it, you can do it. But if someone else did it, they might not have messed up with the plastic, but it's got 100,000 miles on it, just as long as it works. Alright, keep watching for the next repair on a 2009 Malibu.